Hello everyone, welcome back to AM Career Solutions. So today we are going to resume our the previous part, that is stock market or share market or equity share investment. So in the previous video I have explained you what is shares and how to invest, like means I have given you an example of a field, like आप खेत में खेती में जैसे आप आपका दोस्त को इनवाइट करते हैं और कैसे खेती में आपका चाष करते हैं और एग्रीकल्चर करते हैं और पोटैटो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, उसी हिसाब से मैं आपको समझाया था व्हाट इज शेयर. सो टुडे वी विल नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द स्टॉक मार्केट और व्हाट इज शेयर मार्केट और स्टॉक मार्केट, हाउ टू इन्वेस्ट इन शेयर मार्केट, हाउ टू गेट अ प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम दैट. ओके, सो before coming to our topic, I want to say if you are forgetting to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe first, then watch the full video because it is a very important video for your life as well as for your career also, because when you will be going to face an interview, you may be asked this type of questions also when you will be working in a financial sector also, you may have to deal with this type of things. Okay, like into stock market you have to collect some information regarding stock market or price of some private companies as well as public companies, all these things. Okay, and as well as if you are a good financial student and you have knowledge about stock market, you can earn money through that also, because you may be an investor also or you can be a trader also. So what is the difference between investor and trader also, I will make you understand in this video specially. Okay, so let us see. So I have explained you yesterday. So what is share? Like I have given you the example of these fields, like you are going to produce potatoes in a field and that will be costing, that means you need to invest 2 lakhs. So you do not have 2 lakhs, you are inviting 4 of your friends or from your neighbor, and they are also investing in your field as well as they are working with you also. And at the end of the year you have seen that a lot of potatoes, so I think you have selling so many potatoes and you are getting profit. From that profit you are keeping yourself also, and you are distributing that profits among your friends as they are the contributors, or you can say they are also here the shareholders, that means they have also share. So this is what a company is also regarding that. So the company is also having, when he is having a requirement of money, he uses the share, like I have explained you in the previous video the example. Like, so you can go to the previous video and watch this. Okay, so let us know what is the difference between stock market and share market. Basically stock market and share market are same thing. There is no much so difference regarding stock market and share market. We can say there is a difference between securities market. Security market includes buying and selling of share or stocks of a company, bonds, ETFs, or all these things. ETFs, mutual funds, closed-ended mutual funds, all these things. Okay, so security involves, that means these are all the securities. So we can say security market includes shares, stocks, bonds, ETFs, and closed-ended fund or closed-ended mutual fund. Okay, so here the stock market and share market basically are same. So we can say that also stock market are the market where stocks are bought and sold, especially where their buyers and sellers are involved in the transacting the stocks of public limited companies. So share market is also same thing, only the difference between that the thing is there. So stock market is related to the stocks of a public limited company, that means that is traded in a stock exchange. Also the share market is same, this is also traded in the stock exchange. But the thing is that also here share market, you can say, or difference between stock and share, you can say. So share is also related to private companies which are not listed in the stock exchange. So you can buy it on the OTC, over the counter. So there is no much difference. You can say like this, stock market and share market are same thing. Okay, so here how to invest in stock market. Also I want to say you one thing, the stock market or share market, if you want to invest these things also, it is otherwise known as equity share investment, because equity shares are here bought or sold. You can buy equity shares also, that means these are also equity share investment, you can say. If you are investing in stock market or share market, it is otherwise known as investment in equity shares also. So okay, how to invest in stock market or share market, or how to buy equity share, you can say, or how to invest in equity shares. So here, so one of I want to say you, stock exchange is there. In the previous days, especially public or people goes to stock exchange to buy or to sell any shares, but nowadays everything has become digital. So through some broker, you can say, that is Zerodha or Upstocks, a lot of platforms are there from where you can buy or sell the stocks. A lot of platforms are there, Zerodha, Upstocks, Kite, or a lot of things are there where you can buy or sell shares. So like I am giving you the example, in a stock exchange, a lot of public companies are listed there. Listed means actually they have one index, that is Sensex, and another one is Nifty. So there two, especially there are two indexes where a lot of companies are listed. So you can buy either from Sensex or from Nifty also. Also you can directly buy the shares of a company, like a lot of companies. I am giving the example, suppose the Reliance company, a Glenmark is there, Cipla. Suppose you want to buy a share of a Vodafone or Yes Bank. A lot of companies are listed in the stock exchange, which are also listed in Sensex and Nifty. These are the index of the company. Index, what is index? I will elaborate you in the other videos, okay, because it will take also a long time. So just know it, Sensex are the list of the companies who are especially doing very well in the company, who are doing very well in the market, or some, we can say, that are listed in Sensex or Nifty. As per the market capitalization, they are listed. Okay, so let us look how to invest in stock market. So how to invest, that means there are two activities specially, one is buy and another is sell. For that you need to, if you want to buy any share or sell any share, you want to open a trading account as well as a demat account. For that, demat account means dematerialization of account. That means here your shares, whatever the shares you are buying or selling, it is deposited in demat account in electronic form. That means when people go physically to stock exchange to buy or sell any share, they will get a certificate like these things or receipt like things. So in the nowadays, as everything is online, so you have to create a demat account where your shares are, either you are buying a share or selling a share, that is available in the electronic format in demat account. And in the trading account you can sell, or like you are giving money to the seller, or you are buying from someone. That means that activities, that means the money activities or monetary activities are happening in the trading account. So you have to open two accounts. First is trading, another is demat account. So let us see here. So what will happen specially? So nowadays, actually, whether you go for Zerodha or Upstocks or any bank, also you can open demat account in public bank as well as private bank, like SDFC, ICICI, PNB also. They have also their own demat account. Bank of Baroda. You can search it in the Google. You can get the full list where you can open a demat account or trading account. So nowadays you do not need to open these two accounts separately. So you can open, actually they are as a broker as well as a depository participant member also. So they can open their two accounts also. That means these two accounts are linked with each other. So you need to open only one account, you can say. So the trading account and demat account is linked with each other. So you will be opening trading plus demat account in the nowadays. So after opening that, you should have, if you will be an investor, like you are investing in for a long term period especially, so you will be focusing towards the history of the company. Like two things, you have to first do the stock analysis, or you can say the stock analysis. That means suppose if you are choosing one or two companies or more than 10 companies, you have to do analysis for that. That means whether the company is doing good in the market, you have to look for the previous record. That means how much up and down in the stocks of that company specially. So you have to go for the stock market, a stock analysis. The stock analysis is again divided into two types, that is fundamental and another is technical. Fundamental analysis and technical analysis. So what is fundamental and what is technical, I will elaborate to you in another video. Okay, so here you have to analyze the stocks like regarding their history, their performance in the market, any good news or bad news, regarding the stocks. And as well as technical analysis means if you are opening a demat and trading account, if you click onto a particular company, you can see like this type of graphs are there. So up and down or candlestick form up there also, like this type of graphs are there. You can look at the graphs and you can make your own ideas. But before going to this type of apps, it's better do some research and invest. Okay, so this two I will elaborate in another video. Okay, suppose you have done the stock analysis and if you are choosing two companies, like you choose Reliance and you choose Glenmark. How to buy and how to sell. Suppose if you are an investor, so always look for to buy at a low price. Actually in a one day, especially if you look at the graph especially, so price up and down are there, like average price. Suppose Reliance price is now 1,000 rupees. Okay, suppose today is tomorrow is a Monday. Okay, so in the previous like in Saturday, the Reliance price was 1,000 rupees. So when Monday will open, the share market will open. So if the any good news regarding Reliance, the share price may be increased. Okay, so it may be 1,050. So in between the days, it come down to again 950. Again go back to, or it again rise to maybe 1,100 or something like that. So always try to buy at low price, like 950. Suppose you bought a share at 950 Reliance. Okay, like this. So always try to buy at low price and try to sell them at a high price. If you are a trader, if you are an investor especially. Okay, so if you are a trader, like this Glenmark also you can buy 2 shares. Suppose you have bought 10 shares of Reliance and bought 10 shares of Glenmark and at low price, like you bought Glenmark shares at rupees 350 and you can sell them at 450, but you have to be an intraday trader for that. But if you are an investor and you want to invest for a long period of time, only you can buy those shares at low price and you have to wait for 3 to 5 years or more than 7 to 10 years to get a long term or good return, that is 12 to 15% or 20% you can say. Also you may earn more than that, also you may lose for the time. So always remember one thing, when market is down or the share prices may be down, don't sell the shares at that point of time because you will be losing your money. So are you getting that how to invest in stock market? So actually I have elaborated you how to invest in equity shares or share market or stock market. So this is very simple. It will actually it seems to be difficult, but when you will be practically dealing with that things, it will be very easy essentially. But you have to gather some knowledge before you are investing, because I am repeatedly telling you, you may lose your money also. So try to be aware about that things, but you may gain also. But if you will be a long-term investor, then you do not have to worry much about that, because long-term investments generally considered to be safe if you are waiting for more than 5 years or 10 years or something like that. Okay, so I think you must have understood how to invest in stock market or share market. So generally I have elaborated you the small things, especially that what is needed to or what you require to invest in the stock market. I have also said you what is shares. Okay, so in the next video I am going to tell you about the stock analysis, that is fundamental analysis and technical analysis. What are the analysis that you have to do before investing in a company, so that your money will be safe somehow. You cannot protect your you cannot protect the risk 100%, but you can minimize it to 50% or 40%, 30% or something like that. So I will tell you in the another video. So I will make another video on stock analysis or regarding fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Okay, and so for this much for now, this much. Okay. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए, पूरा लास्ट तक देखिए बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो एंड वेट फॉर द अनदर वीडियो आई एम अपलोडिंग. I want to upload more and more videos regarding important videos regarding your career as well as share market or stock market, mutual fund and all these things. So stick to my channel, share my video, like my video. If you have any queries, comment down below. So don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.